my favorite smoothies. First, I'm gonna add in the fruit. These are the superfruits: pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, mangosteen, and pomegranate. I'm also gonna put in some frozen peaches. Next, I'm adding a banana. I'm gonna do as much as I want of all the fruit because at the end, if it's too thick, I'll just add more of the orange juice. Next, I'm going to add peach frozen yogurt to the smoothie. Peach frozen yogurt works really good in smoothies. If you have a lot of fruit, then add a lot of frozen yogurt. If you have a little bit of fruit, then add a little bit of frozen yogurt. For the final ingredient, I'm gonna add the orange juice. I'm gonna add about a cup. And then after this, we're going to mix it. Don't forget the lid. Looks like it's about done. Looks pretty good. I'm excited to try this. It's super good. Too bad I have to share this with everyone else. I would like to keep it to myself. Wasn't that recipe pretty fun and easy? And it tastes really good. Just to review what I did, I added the fruit, I added the froyo, I added the orange juice, then I mixed it. Then you eat it. Do you guys have a favorite smoothie recipe? If you do, please leave me a comment below, because I love making smoothies. Thanks for watching!